We're taking a train ride today. White Pass Summit train ride. So it's not a lot to show you inside the train, but it's kind of fun. Vintage style train cars. The views are spectacular. We're not really going to get a chance to get out of the train and walk around, but we're going up the historic White Pass Summit. Needed a day of rest, so we're taking a nice long rest. But we'll catch up. We'll get you some more information a little bit later. On the way up, we have a lot of rocks on this side, but there's a lot of valley and things to see on that side. But we're gonna go up to the top and then turn around, so we'll have some better views coming down. Spectacular. Spectacular. Alright, we're coming here. We're going over a wood trestle bridge over this gorge right here. And we're approaching our first tunnel. Woo! There we go. There's some rocks close by. It's pretty dark in here. There's light at the end of the tunnel. Hey, we made it. Very cool. Very cool. Stepping on the platform now. That's the valley we came up through from sea level. The top of the summit is 2,900 feet, 2,888 precise. But this is the valley they came through to establish White Pass back in the gold rush. Seems insane to me, and they had to come through here when it was still covered in snow just to be able to get to where they needed to go. This is a very cool experience, but I can't imagine coming through here, the gold rush, and looking at this and knowing this is the easier route than the other one, or this is one of the only ways to get in. Unbelievable. Straight bald, like years and years of glaciers. Awesome. Awesome.
We'll see you later, Steve. Got it. I'm staying on this side. I'm going on your side.
Wow. Yeah, the view. This is the original bridge. Yeah, we'll get better pictures of it when we turn around. Oh, another tunnel. We're having fun in the tunnel. How many fingers am I holding up? So, we've actually crossed into Canada. Nice field of rocks right there. But we're at the top of the pass. And the train will be turning around here in a second. We'll be heading back down the hill.
All right, at this time, everybody,
Oh my
our
gosh.
roaming tour guides that you've already met will be coming through your cars, and they have some souvenir items that they sell on the train. If you want to preview these items, take a look at the back of your All Aboard magazine.
Side on one.
They will have with them our exclusive baseball style cap that has White Pass and Yukon Route logo on the front and commemorates our 125th anniversary. The hat is offered on the train for $10.
Down into Yukon.
They also have with them the White Pass Scenic Journey DVD, which runs 105 minutes long and is full of historical information. And the DVD is
We're
$15.
making the loop now, turn around.
So the hat is 10 and the DVD is 15. But if you would like to buy both of them together, we do have a deal for you. And with it, you will get our scenic picture book
How do
for
I get it
free.
home?
But both of the hat and the DVD will be $20 with the
I gotta get back on the boat with it. Huh?
If you'd like to purchase any of these items, be sure to let our roaming tour guides know as they make their way through your cars. They will be coming through with the souvenirs just one time. They only accept U.S. cash, and as always, they'd be happy to answer any last minute questions you may have about your tour today.
Yeah, well, I want one. You see another one? What's it say? Skagway, Alaska? Okay. This is Summit Lake. This is Summit Lake, and this is where the Royal Mounted Police checked to make sure everyone had their 1,200 pounds worth of goods to cross into Canada. What an endeavor. They've got a cabin, replica cabin up here. Coming up soon. Here is the behind this equipment, the replica cabin, Mounties cabin, Royal Canadian Mounted Police. That's where they would check to make sure you had all your gear. So that's the top of the pass. We just turned around. We're heading down. We're going downhill now. It's pretty steep. Don't have that view right here exactly, but it gets pretty steep. We're getting ready to round the corner. But just to think about how much work it was, and they were all on foot. Some of them were on horseback, but that didn't work well. The horses didn't do well. But they had to carry their packs a piece at a time to get up here. Railroad 98 just told us Jack London had written about that in one of his books. He documented the passage poetically, much more better than I can tell you about it. Man, man. The country is so rugged, so extreme. Just the steepness of the valleys between the hills, the mountains. And we have stuff like this in the Sierra Nevadas, but it's altogether different, but similar. Completely different experiment. Here we go, another tunnel. This tunnel was much larger than the last one, but you'll notice we're coming out of it now. Pretty cool, very cool experience. Here's the train crossing the bridge. Over here, this is the original track that was laid in the bridge. The bridge was actually a known monument. The river going underneath this. Feat of engineering, they said, comparable to the Eiffel Tower. It was all wood and timber. Part of it's been replaced with iron after it's collapsed, but you can see where it's collapsed. They no longer use it, fortunately for us. Yeah, pretty intense. Gulch. The Gulch. Well worth it. What a great experience. Stay out of there. Oh my gosh. That's the pass, guys. Gosh. And the railway wouldn't exist if it wasn't for the gold rush. What people will do. Oh, I didn't realize I was recording. Must have accidentally turned it on. Sorry, guys. Look at this. Golly. What a view. That is like straight down. Look at this, guys. You can see all the way to Skagway. Way out there. Believe it or not, with our ships out in the harbor. Out in the bay. Yeah, that's the bay with our ships docked. View. Good grief. Now they told us that was worth the price of admission, right? Or the price of a trip to Alaska. Oh.
To see something?
Sure.
Yeah.
This is how they get you.
This
They
one's a
get
little
you on
beat
their
up.
train and then they make you buy stuff.
Huh?
This one's a little bit beat up. I'm just using this as an example. We have nicer ones here.
Alright, that and a hat.
And a DVD.
And a DVD.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the DVD. We don't have a DVD. Yeah.
I mean, I gotta go buy a DVD player then.
I'm not
I
gonna sell either a USB
mean,
or a QR code.
my DVD player doesn't quite work anymore.
Okay, got me my souvenir cap. So we're gonna try to film a little bit from inside. It's a little bit, a lot more comfortable. Video quality's not gonna be as good though. But we're heading back down the hill. Got some spectacular views. That's our track down there. We're coming down here to make the big U-turn. Horseshoe. Hit the brakes. Oh, that is the sawtooth that she was talking about on the way up. I don't know if you guys caught that, but that's 6,000 feet. Something like that. That's pretty tall. We were at 3 at the top of the pass, up top of the summit. So those are way up there. Look how rugged the top of that is. Just really rough. Yeah. Very cool. Let's try it this way. That's better. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Did you want to look at those sawtooth ridges? See them? The top of the sawtooth peaks.
That's what I want to tell all parents. Like, if you don't hear anything, you're right. I even told kids when I subbed, they're like, you know my name? I'm like,
yeah, very cool.
The quiet kid over there that's behaving.
Did we miss the falls? The falls. We've got another bridge we're crossing, so we're gonna get a look into this gorge.
Okay, everybody, we will be seeing a train here, so please wave and let them know we're having more fun than they are.
Stuff. We're going to be another bridge we're crossing, and we're going to be passing another train. Spectacular. Yeah, switching tracks here. We're gonna pass another train. So there you can see there's another train coming down the hill over there. You can see the light. The headlight of the train coming down that grade that we just came down.
He knows everything. That's why I ask Mark all the time. I'm like, how do you know that? What?
And they put this in when? The late 1890s? Wow. bridges that we crossed
Sweat lodge?
across the way there,
Because is this supposed to be one of the
across the gorge. There's another train coming down.
And they just, how they bake it, like this on like grills or hot coals?
Really
Hot
cool.
coal thing? We're pretty lost. I saw that. Well,
Very cool.
maybe it was about the same thing. Yeah, salmon bake at the Lido today. What was that? Salmon bake at the Lido today, if you want it for dinner.
Oh yeah, pea soup is never happened.
They wanted to know how
Everybody, if you look on your right side, you're gonna see bridal veil fall one more
Really
time.
good. And Mark had the chocolate dessert. That was really good.
Oh,
Then I
sorry.
was so stuffed and so tired.
Did I hit you right at the wrong time?
When we were in tuna yesterday, I called my mom and
I wanted to rally. We went back to he's actually going to be in the bigger stage.
Between the trees, maybe if we catch a clearing, I can show you. There's a highway on the other side of the gorge, and
so I typically try my mom first.
you know, they put this railway in the late, what, 1898, 99, something like that.
Mother is renowned.
And they didn't put that highway in until the 1970s.
At least for me. Apparently, I'm doing most of the answers well.
That's
I think he's just a little scared.
that's how long it took them to decide that let's go ahead and build a highway so you can get from the lower 48s up into Alaska. That highway is part of the route, the Alaska Highway.
And they have to have a partner to do it.
There's so many trees right here, I can't get it for you, but if we get a clearing, I'll show you.
You're going to be dad's partner. Okay. They're like, but you're the only one that helped me come to Brooklyn. I'm like, am I really? Yes, because he's afraid of what you're going to say. And it doesn't. Well, there you go.
No, I knew exactly what colors it was, but I can't.
There's
He doesn't have Alzheimer's. It won't
that
know.
straight line going straight across, slightly uphill.
My mom.
That's the highway that they put in the 70s.
In that study.
You know, and you look at that and think it took them almost 100 years after putting in this railway
Yes.
to get in and put in that highway,
I'll talk about that drug.
completing a route from the lower 48 through Canada, British Columbia, into the Yukon Territory, into Alaska.
Up to you. Well, so apparently they told us that they do genetic testing before they'll do the study. Yes.
And even building that in the 70s would have been like spectacular.
Over the mic for Beth. As we clear Rocky Point here, this plug of rocks that we see all around us. As we clear that, looking over your right shoulder, you'll get a great view of Skagway from above once again. And forward to the right, you'll be seeing the Denver Valley. As well, at this time, I would love to share a little bit about your narrator, Beth, today. This is her second year with the White Pass and Yukon Route Railroad. She comes to us all the way from Wisconsin. Beth is a proud mother, a United States Air Force veteran, and enjoys music, dancing, and daisies. If you enjoyed your tour today
There's
and were
Skagway.
hoping for a chance to show your appreciation, this will be your opportunity to thank your tour guides.
And Denver Valley's up that. Yeah, just got a peek of it as the engine went in front of it.
Again, that red
Oh,
caboose
yeah.
off to your left.
Very pretty. We came down from that pass right there, all the way up into intrepid gold miners, entrepreneurs back in the day decided to trudge through that valley up to that pass. Crazy, crazy.